Okay, I'm going to show you the teacher side of grading and assessment. First, you can see it also comes up in notifications for a teacher. I am going to go, though, to this is my practice course. Here's the sample assessment. Okay, see all of these questions say they need grading. Okay, and because they were open-ended, so if you click by student, you can see each individual student and their score. Okay. If you click by question, it enables you to very quickly go through and grade and check each question one at a time. Just start at the beginning. Okay. And it says, okay, the false is right, but the fill-in was wrong, so I might give 1 point. Okay. Now, instead of going back, just click next. Okay, let's see what this one is. Well, one sentence, I'm going to give 2 points. But again, I had 2 points per sentence as my idea. Okay, this mostly followed the directions, didn't say the name quite enough times. I'm going to give a 4. There was no video submitted. I'm going to give a 0. Okay, this, I'm going to have a look at this meme that was supposed to upload. Well, that made me laugh. Okay, so I am going to give a 10. That actually followed the directions. All right, and go next. Liver in red, yes. Left lung in blue, that's the right lung, and that's definitely not the bladder. So one of those is, well, you know, I'm going to give partial credit for the lung because it's a lung, just not the right one, or the correct one, I should say. That's definitely incorrect. I'm going to leave that. Okay, so remember, this is the one that I just moved things around because I didn't know. Hook was first randomly. You can decide to give partial credit or not. You might just give 1 point. If there were more students who had answered the same question, you would just keep scrolling down to check them all. These are definitely both wrong. Now see, this has 1 right answer and 1 wrong answer. So I'm going to adjust this and override it and give 1 point for that. Oh, well, that is definitely wrong. That is not the sternum. That is wrong. That is not the mitochondria function. Okay, this 2 are right. That's the correct number of points. That's correct. But remember, that was where the alternate answer got half credit. So you see, it got half a point. So that actually, that worked in the scoring program. Oh, look, all of these ones are right. So that's awesome. And this one is right. That's awesome. Okay, so now if I go back to all questions and click by student, now we'll see the score. So this is the updated score based on all of those modifications that I made and the questions I graded that needed to be graded. Okay.